He is my husband. His name is Mr. Tito. He has straight and black hair, fair skin, slanted brown eyes, and a small lip. He doesn't wear glasses. He is the fourth child and has a younger brother. He is a doctor. Doctor is a person who works in the hospital. The duty of a doctor is to cure the patient. The doctor is helped by the nurse, not only examining, prescribing, and giving medicine. A doctor also interacts with various factors for the emergence of disease. The impact of disease on patients and their families. I think he is a handsome and polite man. He graduated from Brawijaya University, Malang, East Java. After he married me, we both live in Boyolali, Central Java. My husband works at Dr. Suratno Hospital, Sragen Regency, Central Java. His hobby is exercising. He usually plays badminton and football in his free time. He liked badminton since he was 6 years old. His favorite badminton player is Hendra Setiawan and his favorite soccer player is Manuel Neuer. Besides that, since getting married, he likes to collect various kinds of dolls, especially stuffed animals. One of the reasons he likes his collection of stuffed animals is that later he will introduce various kinds of animals to our children through the medium of the doll's death. He is very brilliant and loving person, so I'm proud to be his wife.